Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspot on PS5, login and DNS fixes. To connect your PlayStation 5 to an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, you will need to bypass the network's login screen using the console's hidden web browser. Step 1. Select the hotspot. On your PS5, navigate to Settings, then go to Network, and then again to Settings, and then tap on Setup. Internet connection. Then select the Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 2. Accept the connection. The console may say the connection failed, which is normal. Ignore the error message. Step 3. Open the user's guide. Then again go back to settings and select user's guide. Click on user's guide again to force the console's hidden web browser to open. Step 4. Sign in. The hidden browser will automatically redirect to the Xfinity login portal. Then enter your Xfinity ID and password. Step 5. Authenticate. Once you log in successfully on your portal, your PS5's MAC address is authenticated on the Xfinity network. The connection should now be active. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.